I help create a safe space for people to let go of the stress and pain through the healing power of sound. Gong sound meditation is a modality of sound healing using the power of gongs. I've carefully crafted a 12-month course to take you on a journey through the healing power of sound.
Leaf's guidance is always quite calming. Definitely feel like we're in a safe and sacred space.
The gongs really helped me just relax and let go of any of that emotion that was stuck and needed to be released.
Each month I will hold a 2-hour workshop of gong sound meditation and healing, focusing on specific intentions to reduce stress and anxiety. Whether you attend one or all 12 of the workshops, this course is designed for optimum healing and inner peace. Join me for a gong sound meditation.